guys, assalamualaikum. It's Jenna G. Welcome back to my kitchen. Today we are going to be making a full meal for about 4 people. You can stretch it to 5 using just 100 TT dollars or like 15 US dollars. Before we jump any further into the video, guys, you guys have to hit the subscribe button if you have not done so as yet, and also the bell notification button. The bell notification button, that's just to ensure that every time I post a video, you get a notification so you can go check it out one time and share with all your friends and your family. So let's just talk about this budget meal that I decided to do. So some time back, I saw someone posted on Facebook actually asking if you had 100 TT dollars, what meal would you make for about 4 to 5 guests, 4 to 5 siblings? What would you cook for 100 or with 100 TT dollars? So comment down below and let me know what you guys will make if you just had 100 TT dollars or need to spend. What meal would you make? So let me just tell you, what I decided to do was, well, first of all, when I heard that, when I saw that question, you know, a million different things came to my mind, and of course I had to stop and think about, okay, 100 TT dollars, what could we get for 100 TT dollars here in Trinidad that could like be a nice meal for 4 to 5 people? So I had to make some assumptions, of course, and I had to stop, I had to think. I was like, Jenna, just don't overthink it, just go with it and see what you come up with. Of course I took 5 in the supermarket just because my mind was going on so many different things to cook, but eventually I decided that I was going to make stew chicken, red beans, some carrot rice, potato salad, and cucumbers. Could do a cucumber salsa, we'll see how things go. So how I came up with this, well, I know that, like, for a protein, no, you don't have to have meat, of course, it's all up to you, right? But this is just what I was thinking. It's like, feeling a little chickenish, but I know that a chicken would be a chunk of the $100, of course. So the first thing I did was pick up chicken. So of course you had to go through and see big pieces and all of that, and I finally was able to get some chicken. And after that I thought, well, okay, peas and beans are usually cheap, so I can spend money there. Rice, of course, is usually cheap, and that's just how I built up my my menu as I went along in my thought process. So the next thing I had to think about was, okay, so when you go to the supermarket, you can't really pick up like 1 or 2 head of garlic, well, depending on which supermarket you go to, of course. But if you were to go to like a veg store or like a market, like an actual market in the area, you can pick up like 1 head of garlic, a couple of cucumbers, just 2 or 3 cucumbers, just enough to make sure that you stick within your $100 budget. But in the supermarket, you can't really do that because most times it's already pre-packaged, right? So you can think about that too, but again, I try not to overthink it too much. And thankfully, I was able to actually spend $100 on getting the items. So I'll show you guys what I got. One assumption I did go on, or I went about, kept in my head when I was doing this is, most of us, I think it might be safe to assume, you could correct me if I'm wrong, that the majority of us will have some sort of basic ingredients in our kitchen. Like garlic, we might have onion, some might even have brown sugar, or, you know, ketchup. So I went with the assumption that some things are just already there in a kitchen, and that's how I went about buying my things. So let me just show you guys what I bought and stuff that I didn't buy that I'm going to be using, and let's just talk about that. And then we're just going to quickly cook everything. It's not like a full cooking video because I do have the videos up for these things already. So let me just show you guys what I got with the $100. Alright, so I picked up a small bag of the rice. I picked up, of course, the red beans, put them to soak already. I picked up a bag of carrots, onion, because I can't cook without onions, cucumbers, shadow penny. Of course, you can't really make anything trini, especially like beans and stew, without shadow penny, brown sugar, potatoes, some all-purpose seasoning, some paprika. This, like, if you don't have anything and you need a budget, or you have a budget, you this is a real good thing to have in your kitchen. And the assumption now, or what I had in my kitchen already, were pimento, garlic, and some cooking oil. Was that a safe assumption to make that the majority of us will have a couple items in our kitchen already? I hope so. Comment down below, let me know what you guys think. Of course, something to note, I just bought the brown sugar. Believe it or not, I got these things with the $100. So of course, if you do have the things, if you do choose to go to like the market or the veggie store, you can actually just pick up like 3 pimento or how much ever pimento, just the amount that you need. Because in the supermarket it'll be like, you know, in a pack, and it's not more than $11, $12. I think maybe they could even do it for you in the supermarket, not too sure. But you know what I mean, you could just go and instead of taking a whole bunch just to try to stick with your $100, you could go get it elsewhere or somewhere where you could just pick up a handful. And I bought the brown sugar. So let me just show you guys the bill. Okay, so this is what the bill looks like. Don't know how clearly you can see it. So you'd see that I went over $111, but I actually picked up some plantain, which is somewhere right here. And if you were to eliminate that, you will get it down to $100. Kind of blurry, but I hope you can at least kind of see it as well. And this is just the items and you know what it came up to. So once you eliminate the plantain, you will bring it down. If I had chosen like less than all these 4 potatoes, you know, I would have had wiggle room, so I would have been able to pick up some pimento or something like that. And the oil, well, I think it's safe to say that most of us will have oil in our kitchen, and the garlic as well. So $100, I think it's very much possible to put together a nice meal. And I'm going to just start cooking everything and show you guys the finished product, of course, and see how nice it is. I did not, like, okay, in your potato salad you would normally use like peas and carrots, right? I didn't get any peas. I chose to pick up a bag of carrots instead, and we could just eliminate the peas in this potato salad. Now this video is not to be like it's just to make sure that you have a proper meal with $100. So it's very much possible. So I took the carrots, so we could even make like a fancy rice. So that's how come the carrot rice came into play, because we'll have carrots. We're not going to be using all of this, but we're going to be using some in the potato salad. We'll put some in the red beans, and we can actually put some in the rice, you know. So you can use your money and put together something really nice once you're choosing your ingredients properly. So I'm just going to put my potatoes to boil. I'm going to start with the potato salad. I'm also going to put the rice up to boil, and I will also do the red beans as well. So you see what I was talking about with the potatoes. I'm not going to be using all the potatoes actually. So if you did need to buy every single thing, including the pimentos and the garlic, you will have enough to spend if you purchase or if you pick up less of the potatoes. Not sure why I picked up so many. Alright, so I've got the rice up, I've got the stuff for the potato salad going, and I'm using my pressure cooker to speed up the red beans cooking process. Now if you want to see the full videos on the 3 different ways that you can make red beans, you can check the link down below. I will post it in the description so you can check it out. Potato salad, I will have a recipe up already, a video for that as well. I'll post a link to that down below. I will show you guys the carrot rice. I don't know if I can't remember if I have a recent video on the carrot rice. It's real simple, really good, delicious. So I'll show you guys that real quick. And after that, we will put together the stew chicken, and that will be it. Our meal on $100 TT or $15 US. So of course, you know, comment down below and, you know, let me know what you guys think, what you guys thought about my thought process and how I went about, you know, with the assumptions and trying to stick to the $100 budget. It was a little bit tricky, but you know, it's not hard actually. You can actually put together quite a few things, and I saw the challenge. I was like, why not, let's just try it out, and you don't have to go extra. You know, you didn't even have to do carrot rice. You can even just leave it plain, but we already have the carrots, we have the other stuff. Why not just, you know, make it simple, make it even nicer. You know, we eat with our eyes too, so why not just go a little extra mile? So that's just me. And yeah, so comment down below and let me know what you guys think. So while the rice and potato salad, red beans are up, I'm just preparing the chicken. Got my seasoning. So I added the all-purpose seasoning and the paprika. We're just going to mix this up. I'm just going to set it aside until we have a burner that's free to use, and we're going to make our stew chicken. So while chicken over there, we could work on the cucumber salsa. So it's going to be like a super simple version. Throwing in some of the all-purpose. This is the salt, so it has salt in it. So if you're using coconut oil like I am using, add in a little bit of the coconut oil or olive oil. And we're just gonna refrigerate this until we're ready to eat. Thing we can do while we're waiting on this stuff is prepare the ingredients for our carrot rice. So I've got a grater. All I'm going to be doing is just grating some carrots, be chopping up one pimento. I'm going to be grating this. And you can also add some onion to it. Not much, because onion and rice tend to spoil it quickly. So you can eliminate it, but again, we have it trying to just make use of all the ingredients and items that we purchased. So let me just show you guys the carrot rice. You're going to be hearing probably some noise at the pressure cooker. But I just really quick, just want to show you guys some oil. The rice is finished boiling, so I have it straining out there. And once the oil is hot, in goes my pimento, onion, garlic, and the carrot. I'm just gonna cook this just for about a minute or two, just until the carrots and the onions and everything are nice and tender, and then we're just gonna throw in our cooked rice. At this point, I can turn off my stove, and in goes my all-purpose seasoning. It's really an all-purpose for all-purpose use. You can put this in anything, and I'm telling you, there's going to be a lot of flavor. So you see the nice color from the carrots, and like just easy like that, simple carrot rice. Instead of going with the plain, that's it. So stew chicken is one of those very funny things. When I say funny, I don't mean literally laughing way. I just mean there are different ways people like this stew. Some people like it dark, very dark, like my husband. Some people like it light. Some people say you don't add oil. Some people say you don't add ketchup. So I'll just leave that up to you all. You all can decide, you know, your type of stew. So once it's basically nice golden brownish color and starts bubbling like that, you're going to add in your chicken. Just reduce the heat a little bit. I'm just going to let it spring its own water, cook down, and then we're going to add a little more water and let it cook for 20 minutes until the chicken nice and fully cooked. Alright guys, so everything is finished. Carrot rice, red beans, potato salad, cucumber salsa, and the stewed chicken. So this is my finished meal. This is my menu that I chose to put together using 100 TT dollars or 15 US. So that brings us to the end of our video, guys. 100 TT dollars or 15 US, a nice Sunday meal, a nice dinner idea. Carrot rice, red beans, potato salad, sweet chicken, cucumber salsa. It is very possible. And just to show you all, still have carrots left back, of course. I still have potato, still have cucumber, I still have onions that I did not use as well. So like I was saying, if you can use $100 and make this dish or make this menu for 4 to 5 people. You can go to the vegetable market, get your stuff single. That's of course if you want to take up that challenge, of course, and of going to 2 different places instead of just getting everything in the supermarket. So I actually had fun doing this. I didn't use anything extra in the stuff. I used a pinch of the ketchup apart from the pimento and the garlic and the coconut oil that I used. I used just a little bit of the ketchup in the stewed chicken. But again, you can just use less or purchase less. I could have just gotten fewer in the potatoes, the onions and the cucumbers, and it would have been exact without me having to use the pimentos from home. So it was pretty fun doing this video. Let me know if you agree with you guys, what you guys thought about it. $100, nice meal, 4 people, carrot rice, red beans, sweet chicken, cucumber salsa, and potato salad. Pretty simple. So I didn't use the peas. You saw I had some extra shadow benny. Of course, I just chopped it up and just added it in, add some onions. Have fun with it. You don't need to buy a lot of different ingredients to put together a nice, delicious meal for your family. So just have fun with it. Purchase your items that you can have multi-use from, like the bag of carrots. Instead of buying the 1 tin of piece of carrots, but I think about it like almost the same price as 1 bag of carrots. Got to use in the red beans in the carrot rice. Instead of just doing plain rice, I got to use any potato salad, and I still have extra. So when you're shopping around, you can definitely put together good stuff on a budget, for sure. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know, of course, what you guys think, what you guys would make with the $100 TT or 15 US. Comment down below. I'm real curious to know what it is you all will make, vegetarian style, fish style, anything. Comment down below and let me know what you guys think. So this is looking too good. Of course, it's time to eat. So thanks so much for watching, guys. Simple ingredients, not a lot of different things, and it's delicious. So you all go and do this. Let me know what are the budget. Give me a budget down below. I think I'll do that in my next video as well, or some video to come in the future. We did $100. How low you think we should go? Comment, let me know your thoughts, give me some ideas, and I think we could probably really do a couple of these budget videos to see what meals I put together using a limited amount of dollars. So let's see how that goes. Thanks so much for watching. As always, guys, always so much appreciated. All the lovely comments all the time, the loyal and the followers, the people who just view and comment all the time. I really appreciate each one of you guys. Thanks so much. And yeah, I will see you all in the next video. So thanks so much for watching. As always, see you all then. Hello?
Hi, you want me to go chat?
Nah, I could. You all there now?
Yeah.
Oh, alrighty. Okay, bye. Bacon shark. I've got a delicious meal right here.